welcome to our little Zoom chat. I have asked Jamie to join me. As a lot of you know at home, Mother's Day, or hopefully you know, Mother's Day is coming up very soon. And I had this idea for a Mother's Day card, but I quickly realized I needed some help with it. Now, you've ever heard the term, he has a face only a mother can love. That's this face. And I thought, because my mother likes my humor already, why not take it to the next level and make a Mother's Day card all about me with a giant caricature of my face. And I had this idea and this whole concept out, and then I realized I don't know how to caricaturize things. So, Jamie, I've asked you to join me on here. I was wondering if you wouldn't mind filming and recording how you would caricaturize this, and then we could show it to everybody, and then show me what you did, and maybe I can then kind of learn from that, because we're still all social distancing. We're still all, not in the studio, so we're doing this via Zoom. You said that maybe you wanted to do like a screenshot of me to pull from?
Yeah, if you just want to go ahead and do a good face that you want your mother to look at every day, I will grab it.
All right, I'm gonna try to not look too. Okay, let's just go for it. There's already so much character. I don't think I need to add character.
No, I think that one's good. I like it.
You got it? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we'll put that up on the screen while you're doing it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that we can see my image and your art, and then we'll come back when it's done and we'll take a look at it.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, all right. I really appreciate you helping me out on this, even though you're being paid to do it.
Anytime.
Okay, cool. Let's get started.
Woo.
All right, we are back. Jamie has prepared the caricature. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, of me that I want to figure out how to do for myself for my Mother's Day card. Now, for you, you would have just seen how she did it and what it looks like, but as of us filming this, she did it last night. She stayed up all night. It takes a long time to, do something with this. So I'm seeing it for the first time, and I'm looking forward to then going back and watching how she did it, so that I can kind of try to replicate that. So without further ado, let's see a face that maybe even a mother can't love.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Do I get a drum roll or something? And
hey! Oh, I've got a weird nose, don't I?
now remember, this is not a photorealistic rendition.
I
So,
guess that's the definition of caricature.
yeah.
I,
So
I like it. I like it.
you do?
Uh, I noticed you
Yeah.
went very big with the ears and nose. I don't know if that's a knock on me, but you got the hair down. I mean, it would be tighter if there wasn't a quarantine and I could get it cut, but hey, my brush is a lot bigger than that.
Well, sometimes you make features bigger or smaller depending.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. That's really awesome. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Well, all right. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching how she put that together. Now I've got to get busy because, as you know, this is coming up very quick, and I am quite the procrastinator. So, yes, we all see your cat dancing behind you. We're really working at home. She's not in another room. She's across town. But yeah, through the magic of Zoom.
Yeah.
But anyway, happy Mother's Day to everybody, right?
Yeah.
And it's never too late to get a Jerry's Artarama gift card and send it directly to your mom's email. And thanks so much for watching. Thank you, Jamie. And we'll put this to good use.
All right. Awesome. Thanks,
All
Michael.
right.
It was fun.
Thanks, Jamie. I appreciate it.